Naomi Home presents the Marisa Leather Chair assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This leather chair comes as shown with long-lasting, durable fine leather fabric. To get started, attach 4 sofa legs onto the sofa assembly. Next, remove packaging fabric from the back of the cushion and place onto the sofa assembly. And there you have it, your Marisa leather chair is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.